So what are we doing today?
Pulling out the whole engine.
Huh?
Anyways, what is up, guys? Fredrider here. In today's video, we're finally bringing back the Talon, or at least trying to look and see what the damage is, since it's been sitting here since March. My friend Eric, the one with the Ford Focus, decided to help me out, and we're gonna see right now what we can do. It's January 3rd or 4th? 4th? I think 4th of 2024, and I've decided that I need the car back, especially because driving the truck is getting expensive with the gas. Isn't that right, Eric?
Yeah, it is getting ready.
Exactly.
Take you up in tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Life could be a dream. Anything done, plans would come true. Anything done, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart.
Alright, popping up the hood, the interior, the cylinder hole key somehow managed to go all the way inside. Luckily I was able to unlock it. Look at the beauty. A whole new radiator, whole new water thermostat housing, thermostat housing right here. Dude, that's not where it goes. It goes right here.
It has different holes, okay?
Is it really that's the reason for it?
No.
Oh, okay.
Just make it.
Well, there's no antifreeze, I'll give you that. Because all of it leaked out from here somewhere. And there's the oil right here. What the truth. That shit putty.
That shit crispy, actually.
Let's get a zoom. Yeah, because I changed it immediately.
Sorry.
So all the coolant leaked out, I remember.
So it has no coolant.
No. So we can turn it on and turn it off immediately.
Turn it on, you can leave it on for like a minute.
I mean, it's cold, so.
Yeah.
Okay, let me.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Huh?
Oh.
So what do you think, bro?
Oh, you're fucked.
Huh?
Huh?
Yeah, I like how this whole video is just gonna be you fucking working on my.
I'm not working on it. You are.
Oh yeah, you're right. Those are my hands, guys.
It just cuts my face off with his face. This is like some bad animation that you see it move.
What is it? Deep face?
Yeah. I don't know what I'm doing.
What do you mean, bro? Huh? You said you want the schematics? I got the book.
Oh my! You for real? No way you got a book. Absolutely no way. You have a book.
If I could take you up in tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello again. Shaboom, and open me again. Life could be a dream. Shaboom, anything done, plans would come true. Anything done, my whole life loving you. Life could be a dream, sweetheart. Now every time I look at you, something is on my mind. If you do what I want you to, baby, we'd be so far. If I could take you up in ocean, tell me I'm the only one that you know. Life could be a dream.
My dad wants documentation of everything we do, so.
Why?
Because in case we mess up, he knows where to start.
Who said I was gonna mess up?
Who said we're ever gonna fix the shoot?
Who said I was gonna put this back together?
No, that'd just be another reason to buy the thing.
True.
Bro, some of these weren't even timed. What the fuck?
No wonder your shit blew.
Dude,
I'm sorry.
ass. No, being dead ass. Well, this is a breaker bar, so it's supposed to not be that hard to take them off.
Well, don't tell me that's how you're taking them off.
What? Yeah. It's working, isn't it?
Sir, I don't. Try it.
He's got that muscle. Baby.
Nah, hold on.
You want to? I haven't done this one. I don't think so. Yeah, no, I haven't. Here, you want to try it? Here. It's because it has a longer reach.
Alright. They're gonna need it. I got it. That's what we usually do at work.
Really? So I bought this as well from Goodwill, as you can see the price, and then I bought a bigger one for Harbor Freight, but that's gonna be for the bolts that are more harder to find.
Probably never been serviced to this life. I mean, what?
Close this.
I'm just
He's a professional mechanic.
I'm an industrial mechanic. I ain't no car mechanic.
Oh, shit.
I don't know what I'm doing right now to it. So I want to break that epoxy without ripping that the actual gasket itself, because I know that I'm pretty sure this thing's hard to find, huh?
No, I found it at AutoZone.
For real?
Yeah.
I just rip it.
And that's I was like, why is he trying so hard not to break it? I was like, I guess. Yeah, I found it at AutoZone.
I already told y'all this. I'm not a car mechanic.
Me neither.
I'm an industrial mechanic. I don't know what the hell I'm doing here. He's a mechanic. I'm not a mechanic.
Well, I did work at an auto shop.
You see more mechanical than experience than I do. Me, all I've done is changed out the filter on my car, and I called myself a mechanic. So
At least when we do fix this, we'll open up our own like engine shop or car shop.
Said, Chris, fix it. Can you comment on our video and give us a like? Hit us. Give us a shout out. Say E1 right there. It says E1 right there, and it counts down 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Wait, 6 is this one right here?
Yeah, that would be E6 right there.
Alright.
And then you'll come up here, and they'll say 11.
My back. Give me a second. Right there.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15, you're 16.
Alright. But look at the arrows too.
Oh yeah, pay attention to the arrow.
So it goes from, we gotta go, I guess we start from here.
So the direction that we're facing says we started this.
On the left.
Yeah, so it'll be going from east to west.
Okay.
You're east and going all the way down to your west.
Okay, and then the arrow right here too.
Yep.
So we start on this
East
side and then
to west.
work out that way. Oh, and it tells you the arrows, like, I guess which to tie in first. This one. Right?
No, you know what just happened. So cut that out. Cut that out.
At 8:50, ignore what I just said.
8:50.
That's 8 minutes and 50 seconds.
Oh.
Well, just this one. That's like we never touched it.
Day 2.
Oh, shit, I gotta record this. So what we're doing right now is currently just we're gonna take off the whole bumper so we can get more workspace.
And we're gonna eat.
Yeah, and definitely not because we can't reach the tensioner pulley.
I asked somebody where it was. You told me.
I literally told you, bro.
No one wanted to tell me.
I don't really see.
Hey, yo, this man quoting that shit by zip ties.
Wait, am I?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay.
Gives us more space, more room to mess with, without actually having to, deal with it. So here's that.
Hold up. Just put them right there for right now. Just make sure to know where they go to start with.
No, I don't know how they want.
What? What?
I mean, they're easy to find out which one is which.
Are you sure? Because there's a lot of people that go to AutoZone and have no fucking idea. What was that?
Little fucking clip, you're not gonna use it anymore.
Yeah.
It's easy, look. The longer one goes to that one. Shorter one goes to that one. Same as here.
But where do they go over there?
They go like that.
Okay. The camera.
You got a marker? Or this faces west. This goes
the front.
east.
Just say the front.
This
Yeah. Faces
goes
the front.
to your right tire.
Yeah.
This goes to your left tire.
Yeah.
The shorter hose goes to this one, the longer tube, and the shorter tube goes to the longer hose.
So what do we call these?
Power steering bolts.
To radiator.
Yeah. Power steering support bolts. There you go.
Yeah. So power steering, but
Oh, those are for the clamps. You're gonna replace them, aren't they?
yeah. So power steering clamps.
Yeah, power steering clamps. But you're gonna replace them, so there's no really need to save them.
Yeah. Oh, these.
Find a better version.
And now we're to dismantle everything.